I joined the fan club when some neighbours suggested, have you done this? It's great. And we're probably saving something like 10 or 15% on our overall cost. I really like it when it says we're going to get 50% off in the morning.
Octopus has invested $2 billion into the UK's offshore wind programme, and this is really important for decarbonising global energy systems and providing cheaper energy for people.
We're sailing customers out to see our offshore wind turbines up close.
Turbines are 150 metres tall. They can power 240,000 homes per year. When a monopile is in the seabed, creates these little areas for nursery fish, and the seals like to come inside and eat the fish. It took 9 years worth of planning and preparation to put the turbines up. It's one of the areas that we want to push the government to speed up the planning process.
I like the dashboard that you can see all the live feed come through of what your potential savings are going to be. Is it windy, is it not? Yeah, you can see those savings rack up.
I like to support renewable energy. I think it's a really important thing to do. But also you get a bit more of an understanding about how energy is generated from natural resources, and you kind of get that information through the app, which I think is really unique and really interesting.
You can tell when it's going to be windy, and I can feel I'm going to save money and do something decent for the environment.
We can be providing cheaper energy for customers right now.
When these turbines are spinning fast, Octopus customers living nearby can get up to 50% off their energy. See if you can join our fan club at octopus.ps/fan4.